Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to see how to find your Discord ID in a very easy step. For that, go to your browser and search for Discord and log into your Discord. Once you open your Discord account, click on the setting icon that is on the right side of your profile. Then in the left side, search for advanced and go through it. Once you are in advanced page, toggle on the developer mode. Now you can see your Discord ID, but not only yours, you can see or view others' Discord ID as well. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.